How to quickly learn and use the eEstate platform. Log into your eEstate account. Open the Knowledge Base section from the menu. Here, you will find answers to frequently asked questions. You'll also find important dedicated sections for buyers and agents. In the Documentation section, you can access the company's founding documents, as well as review the financial report, investment contract, and employment agreement for agents. Open PDF presentations that explain income opportunities for both agents and buyers, presented with figures and step-by-step guidance. To open the PDF presentation in Spanish, please switch the website language to Spanish. The same applies for other languages. Review the agent materials to improve your understanding of real estate sales and professional growth. In the Video Hub, you'll find presentations and tutorials highlighting the benefits of the platform for investors and agents. Subscribe to the company's official social media channels, stay updated with news and events, and be an active part of the community. Visit the partner websites Eli Property and ARDR to expand your knowledge of the eEstate ecosystem. eEstate. Invest smarter today.